Two leading email marketing tools, one crucial choice. Which one truly stands out? On one side, we have Constant Contact, a longtime favorite for businesses big and small. On the other side, Kit, the rising star promising smart automation for busy entrepreneurs. Forget the hype. Let's dive into what actually matters. We'll score each area head-to-head, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform wins. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Okay, before we roll up our sleeves, here's a quick mind map of what we're going to cover. Pricing, ease of use, features, reporting and analytics, integrations, automation and AI, and finally, support and community. This will set the stage for a detailed side-by-side breakdown. Feeling good so far? Cool, let's hit the first stop. So, let's talk pricing. Constant Contact starts with pretty transparent tiered plans, which is honestly refreshing compared to some cryptic competitors. And if you're a nonprofit, they throw you a bone with some discounts. But, as your list gets bigger, get ready for the price to creep up, and those add-ons? Yep, you'll pay extra. Now, Kit goes a totally different direction with a free tier just for startups. Who doesn't love free? Plus, their flexible per-usage pricing is pretty clutch if you're just testing the waters. But heads up, if you want to integrate with other tools, you'll need to shell out for the premium plans. Still, Kit has an edge here. Alright, ease of use. Constant Contact. Think classic email editor here. You'll get a drag-and-drop experience, and the automation stuff is laid out really clearly. Although, I gotta say, the interface feels a little, well, vintage, like your uncle's old laptop. Turning to Kit, setup is super simple. You're guided mostly by a chatbot, and honestly, it walks you through everything you need nice and quick. But if you're a power user, it might feel a tad basic. Both keep things accessible though, so I'm calling this one a tie. Next up, features. Constant Contact is stacked. Advanced email, SMS, and even social marketing. Loads of segmentation, beautiful templates, killer analytics, plus little bonuses like event management and CRM integrations. You do have to hop on a higher plan for the fancy stuff, but honestly, the toolkit's solid. Now, Kit is more focused on the chatbot CRM and e-commerce angle, and it handles AI-powered communication with customers. But if you're looking for deep dive email features, Kit's not really trying to compete there. Clear win goes to Constant Contact for feature-hungry folks. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the very first email marketing campaign was sent way back in 1978 to over 400 people? Imagine the open rates. Reporting and analytics. This is where we separate the data geeks from the rest. Constant Contact brings some seriously robust campaign analytics, lets you do A/B testing, gives real-time reports, and so on. Some useful metrics, though, get hidden behind higher-tier plans, which is kinda annoying. Kit, on the other hand, shows you simple customer insights, mostly through its chat feed. There's value there, but nothing too deep, especially if you want advanced segmentation. So, Constant Contact for the win again, especially if you love numbers. Integrations. Let's do this. Constant Contact is, no joke, the integration king here. We're talking Shopify, WordPress, Salesforce, hundreds more. Plus you get API access. Only catch? Some are locked behind paywalls. With Kit, it's all about the essentials. Messenger, SMS, WhatsApp, Shopify. But outside of the big platforms, it gets a bit limited, which could be a deal breaker if you're stacking up solutions. Constant Contact's got this one. Switching gears to automation and AI. Constant Contact does solid automation, like classic trigger workflows and a touch of AI for those must-have subject lines. But when it comes to, actually having smart conversational interactions, that's where Kit just goes wild. Kit's AI chatbot actually chats with customers and handles personalized outreach at scale. How cool is that? The only drawback? Their automation's depth has a cap, mostly sticking to chat-related stuff. But still, on the AI front, Kit definitely steals the spotlight. Last up, support and community. Constant Contact comes in swinging with live chat, email, phone, a real human on the line, and a deep help center. Well, unless you're calling at midnight, since phone support sticks to US hours, Kit sticks with in-app chat and a growing online community, which is great for fast answers, but, you won't find a phone number. In the end, both do a nice job depending on your style, so I'd say this round is a tie. All right, let's zoom out and check out how both stack up across everything. You'll notice Constant Contact tends to shine for bigger businesses demanding all the bells and whistles, while Kit goes hard where AI and customer conversations matter most. Pretty clear zones of genius for each. So, here's my take. If you want an all-in-one marketing suite and you need things like advanced features, tons of integrations, and deep analytics, Constant Contact has your back. But if you're all about AI-driven chat-first outreach, maybe you run an e-commerce shop or just want smart automation, then Kit is absolutely worth a spin. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.